Please kindly click on the red subscribe button below this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks, God bless you as you do this.
Yeah, so we are still on the marker, the ghost and the cows. We are set on the ghost and the cows.
We are still on the matter.
So I'm playing the role of Oga Police.
And I'm playing the role of Omota.
So you can see we're in the ghetto. Meet Roke Oshodioke, you know, Mama Niye.
Oh yeah,
father. Oh yeah,
ìjà kí ló lọ́wọ́ rẹ̀ ṣe náà.
Ẹ gbọ́n pàjà ti fẹ́ jà.
Ìjà wo?
Ti fẹ́ bá wọn àmì jà.
Àwọn 8.
Àwọn oníbàárà yẹn.
Àwọn àmì.
Àmì 8. Wọ́n á ní kó fi méjì kó jẹ́ mẹ́wàá.
Ó fẹ́ para ẹ̀ nìyẹn.
Para mi. Wà tí wàá náà pàṣá ní 10 seconds kẹfà.
Ló bá wà náà kú.
Ó wá pẹ́ jù ṣá. Àárín rẹ̀ rí pé mo wà ní tètè àwọn méjèèjọ. Màá náà tán 5 minutes. Èmi nìkan.
Ìwọ yìí.
Lórí àwọn mi.
Pẹ̀lú jẹ́ pẹ̀lẹ́sẹ̀ yìí.
Màá nà ọ̀rẹ́ ẹsẹ̀
Ṣé pẹ̀lẹ́sẹ̀ yìí?
ẹsẹ̀ kan lọ́ fi jà. Màá nà ọ́ pa.
Ọmọ náà set we dey o. Ẹ wà àwọn wèrè tí Tóyìn kó jọ.
Àwọn kankan lọ bá wà wèrè gbogbo Èkó.
Ẹ wà àwọn wèrè tí Tóyìn kó jọ. Ẹ wà àwọn wèrè tí Tóyìn kó jọ.
Let you realize where I come from. Where I'm a Yoruba man. They don't take one another. Where have you come from? Ijebu. Let me go and match Ijebu. I will match Ijebu. Ijebu, I match you. You will match Ijebu. I match you. You want me Ijebu? You will sink. It's not the first time I match Ijebu. Every match I sink. That's not one answer. I'm on my one answer. Ijebu, one answer. Ibo.
Can you imagine what I'm with right now? Guess what? Hello everybody, like this here again. Some just happened right now. And with someone special. Look at this. Can you see this fine girl? Blow them a kiss for me. That is sweet.
Thank you so much for watching our videos. And importantly, you need to subscribe because we drop videos almost every day. Any events going on in Nigeria, Gboah TV is always the first to get there. So you just need to subscribe unless you'll be missing out. And how to subscribe? There's a circle here written Gboah TV. Click on it, you see a subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button. That's all. And if any event just take place or you heard something, just go on YouTube, search for Gboah TV. You see the. And if you have a big show coming up, any event, you can call us.